Hello my foodies, welcome back to Light Kitchen. Today we're making the viral chicken pasta everyone's obsessed with. 56 grams of protein, 1 pan cleanup and a sauce that's creamy and dreamy. This one's a winner. Start with 2 skinless chicken breasts. Season with salt, paprika, garlic powder, oregano and black pepper. Squeeze in half a lemon. Coat the chicken well. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Air fry at 190 degree for 25 minutes, flipping at 8 minutes. Golden, juicy chicken, every slice bursting with flavor. Bring 7 cups of water to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 2 cups of whole wheat or protein pasta. Cook 8 to 10 minutes until tender with a little bite. Finely chop 1 brown onion, mince 3 cloves of garlic, and slice a cup of cherry tomatoes. Grate 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese. Love this video? Like and subscribe now. In a pan, heat a little olive oil. Saute the onions 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Then add the garlic and cook till fragrant. Stir in the cherry tomatoes and mash them lightly to release their juices. Pour in half a cup of chicken broth and let it simmer. Now add 3/4 of a cup of low-fat cream. And a 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Stir gently on low heat until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Season with chili flakes, dried basil, herbs, and a pinch of salt. Watch as this creamy, dreamy sauce comes together. Add the pasta straight into the sauce and toss until every piece is coated. Plate it up, top with juicy sliced chicken, and finish with fresh spring onion garnish. That's 56 grams of protein in one delicious bowl. Would you say yes to this marinara pasta?
If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Great, now that you're part of the Light Kitchen family, let's get cooking.